This is our new product, rechargeable soldering iron. This is the power button and this is touch function area. The working indicator lights and the power lights. So how do we use it at the first time? First, we need to activate the touch function area. We need to press the power button for 3 times. 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you can see the working lights is turning on, and then we need to power on the soldering iron. Long press here for 3 seconds. Okay, you can see the power light is turning on, right? So then we just need to press the touch function area. Yeah, you can see the working indicator light is turning on, and the light is also turning on. And after 12 seconds, the tips will getting hot. So then we can work. Let me show you, okay? It's getting hotter. It's working. Okay.